this is Cheryl. I'm a design team member with Coco Daisy, and I am going to show you my setup today using the August Spice Market Kit. My rings binder cover is by Estelle, and I love green. And August is my birthday month, so of course I always feel like August should be green, and then the colors in here are so festive and so beautiful. They're perfect. I like to decorate my pockets, and this month there is Simon with a camera, and I've always loved my camera, and so again I just feel like this whole kit speaks to me. I tucked in some cards and just some pretty decorative things, and then in here I made a laminated pocket out of the vellum to hold my extra stickers, keep them safe. This acetate cover with the date of August is from Rose Colored Days, and it took me a while to get back into getting these again, but I used to get them all the time for the first page in my book, and I love how you can see through everything and just see the month. There was this beautiful colored acetate in this month's kit that I cut down, and then I stuck the sticky notes on top so that I can easily access them. I also always like to make my first dashboard cover for Hello for whatever month it happens to be, and of course it's August. And then in the planner kit add-on this month were these beautiful metallic borders, and I put them on each of my dashboards so it changes with the month. I didn't put that in all the way. There we go. I like to do ruffles with my washi. It just makes it stand out a little bit more. And then of course we've got these beautiful glitter dots. They're enamel glitter dots, and I use that to help decorate. I always have a goals page, and then you have the monthly month at a glance. So in here I've started writing in all the things that are coming up in August. This I usually do for forward planning. I haven't filled that out yet. This card was in the planner kit add-on. Maybe not. I was thinking it was, but I think it actually might be in the Memory Keepers, Modern Memory Keepers kit, because I get a lot of 3x4 cards to keep in my, like this, for decorative reasons, as well as for tip-ins and just to, you know, have extra room for your journaling. I did use the tabs this month on top of my pages, so I used the stickers where I could. I hand wrote grateful because there wasn't one for that. I stamped in schedule and journaling. In fact, if we go back here, you'll see there's these little tabs. This came in the planner add-on, and I used those with the matching stamp to give me more space for journaling, making notes for when I want to go back and do my memory keeping. I put in a sticky pocket here on this sheet to hold extra stickers. These sheets this month, I'm putting them all up front. They're for my grateful. I'm going to write down each day what I'm thankful for, grateful for. We got a ton of these little stamps, and I really love them, so I started decorating some of the pages with them. I added a little bit of enamel dots on this just to give it a little bit more. And when we go into my calendar, I've got the whole month done, although they're not written in yet, and I keep the extra stickers so that I can go back in and use more stickers as I need them. So as you can see, I've got the whole month. I've got 2 more birthdays I have to write in here. but I did put in mine, and I spelled it out. I should have said my birthday, but I said mom, so, because of course I'm the mom. So, and then I had to add me, just so anyone who looked at this would know. I love to layer stickers, so I layered this Discover Your Passions above the stamp sticker, and I put the little stickers here, like water plants, clean house, on top of the other stickers. This is another layered technique with the stickers. This was another clear acetate that came with the kits, and I'll put down in the notes the kits that I used. With stickies, so I can write stickies and then I can peel them off and stick them on whatever page I want, but they're right here where I can reach them. This pop is from the Peach Palmetto. I love these. I have them in all kinds of colors. I put all the daily to-dos in the back this time so that I can fill them out as I need them, because some days I don't have a ton going on. Other days I'm super busy. Oh, and this front page is going to be for the month to do. So I'm going to change just this one page to say month. And then all the rest will be daily, because it'll be for each day. But since this doesn't have the corresponding grid paper next to it, I thought this would be perfect for the month. And more, these are the 4x6 decorative cards that I went ahead and added. They're a little bit long, but I still like to have that extra texture in my album. And as you can see, we talked about this just a few minutes ago. And then I decorated the back. I always decorate the back of my dashboards. Put stickers there. This I left blank because I'm going to fill it in. And then this grid paper is actually from Cocoa Daisy. It's in the Daisy shop. I just cut it down and hole punched it to size. And then I have a section for notes. So this paper, even if I'm just scribbling, I have a place I can write notes, I can keep. And then of course there's the notepad, which fits so nicely on the very back of this album, along with this beautiful, like, dark pink pen. I hope this gave you guys some good inspiration. If you have not subscribed yet, you can use my link to subscribe, and it gives you a discount, I believe. So I will also put that in the notes section for my video. But if you have any questions, please post and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.